Oh, that thing got hit. If you could see it in the water there, it just got hit. All right, guys. I moved over here, and we have found some movement. Make a little cast. Right, nothing there. I don't think we're gonna have luck until we get to the bass spot, but catch some bluegill on the way would be nice. Yeah, it just rained and you can't really see much out here, so the creek is pretty high. They usually hide back in that brush over there. Yep, gotta be smarter than Charlie. Make one last cast out there, then let's move on.
Okay guys, I'm all tied up.
Now we're gonna move down the creek. We'll give you a time lapse of us walking down the creek. So, see you guys at the next spot. See if Charlie pulls in a big one.
Dude, he's hitting it.
Unless he hits that. That was a clean cast.
Dude, he's got to be better with that. I was getting smart. Heron down there?
There's a massive blue heron. Oh, there.
Blue heron. That thing's massive.
Construction site.
There's a bass there. He'll bite that.
I know, we might have to switch lures though if we're not getting anything. Gotta keep the viewers happy for our first video. Oh, someone's chasing after it, look.
Maybe we don't.
Did you see the lines in the water?
No, we don't have to post it for
It is? No, it's not.
No, over there it was. Oh, there's another good full piece of wood.
Oh, damn it. We'll take it on the way.
Bring it down, no.
You got it on the way back. Guys, we gotta...
You can't really bring it down, it sucks. Remember this used to be like all cut up?
Dude, a lot has changed since we were last back here. So we might not be able to catch a bass.
Yeah, we don't even know if the pond is still here.
Yeah, the storm might have stirred them up.
Yeah, for all we know.
The storm could have stirred them up. So we're sorry if we don't catch fish, but it is what it is. Crap, there's hella rocks. There's probably fish under this dam.
Hey, we also have the post.
Oh, it smells bad. Huh?
Wait a minute, no. No.
Is it gone?
Dude, wait, it falls right up.
No.
Some of it's still there.
Dude.
Most of it's still there. A lot of it's
Flip.
over.
Oh, no, it's fine. The bass probably moved out of the stream, though, when they heard us coming. Dave, put that up on the screen for us. You had a bite? Remember, these bass can just like that way. You don't know what happened to them. This might suck. Where could they be? Charlie, are you going farther? I think Charlie's going farther down that way. I think the bass are there. Okay, guys, switched up the camera. We still haven't caught any fish yet. But prepare for me to slip like.
Wait, this was a pond before. This is the real pond. I think this is like it. No, I remember now. This leads to the real pond.
No, that's the real pond.
Oh shit.
There is a pond over here. It's just super small. Yeah, it's like really small. Okay, guys, this is probably. Let's get a slip counter. So I'm actually gonna fall. Oh shoot. Kate had a bite. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I don't slip. Like, no, these bricks are perfect for our fort. But, well, no. It all just looks different because the storm. Whoa, guys. Tripping. Oh, no. Oh, Cade slipped. Cade's slip counter's lower than mine, though. I've slipped like 40 times off camera. Oh, shoot. Ah! Wobbly rocks. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, no, there's one. There's one slip. That really hurt. Oh, crap. We're okay, guys. Kinda. Just like cut my hand. Jeez Louise. Spot kinda looks good. There could potentially be something here. Oh, please don't slip rocks. If one of these rocks slips, my whole life's over. Oh shoot, the workers are up there. I don't want. Oh, a big bullfrog. He hopped off this rock. This ledge or whatever. Shoot, guys. How am I gonna do this? Okay, guys. Just had a quick little talk, but yeah, we're still doing decent. Oh, somebody was here. Jackson 5. Somebody find out who that is. Yo, wait a minute. Is this a giant thing of marble? Okay, look at this rock. Look at this rock. It's like a big thing of marble. Do we throw it in? Oh, I see some more prime bottles up there. Speaking of prime, I'm gonna get a sip.
Jackson 5?
Yep.
Who's Jackson?
Somebody's gotta find out who Jackson 5 is. Okay, this is not a really good piece of wood right here. Well, no, I mean if you... No! Okay, chat. Yo, what is this massive, like, metal thing? What is this? Is this Drake in the ground? It's Drake! See some more tires over here? There's always some more. Why wouldn't you just walk across this log? Shoot. I see why it's freaking slippery.
Yeah, good idea.
It's right there, shallow. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Made it. See if Cade can make it. Oh, Cade fell. Sure. Dude, this is the spot where it's like impossible to cross. This is the spot that's like impossible to cross. Like actually impossible now. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna be able to cross this, Cade.
Oh, I remember now.
Yeah, we had to.
Got a creek like huge creek shell. Right here. Remember?
Yeah.
When I made the video?
Oh no, the video you made, that was at the like original spot.
No, it was right here. It was like, it's a big one, guys. Remember? And you were hopping over this pipe.
Maybe.
You don't remember that?
Not really.
You were hopping over this pipe.
Yeah, dude, it's impossible to get by. How deep is it? That's not gonna help.
Oh, let's start walking in.
No.
Is this the part in the city?
Yes. That's really deep. My line's still going down.
You go back?
Yeah, probably. I don't think we have a chance of getting across this. My dad probably is mad, so whatever. Hey, I can't get in trouble. I don't have my phone. Okay, we're going back to the log. I think we're gonna head back because fish isn't biting.
And we need to build that fort.
And yeah, we're gonna try to build a fort, so hopefully. Wow, Kay did not slip this time. And I made it too. Yay! Take a cast into this current. Is that a dead bluegill?
Camera recording.
Yeah.
First fish of the day. Should we take this for bait?
Honestly? Yeah.
Put it in the pocket. I think it died last time from the flood.
Oh yeah, I got like it dried up on here.
There's fish. What if that happened to the bass?
I doubt it did. The bass are smart.
Oh, shoot. Is that a bass? I saw like something shiny in the green. Right.
Okay guys, we're just gonna make our way back. These fish aren't biting. See you soon. Cade fell again.